Kind of funny, there's like 3 bees down inside here drinking water. So if you want to attract bees, another way to do it is actually to have an aquaponics system to put out water and put it out in a way to where they can land on it and drink from it. So sponges would be good, natural sponges, of course. But yeah, it's kind of neat. Hopefully you guys can see that on film. Yeah, they're just coming in. I think the word got out that there's a water source here. I have bees flying around my head too. This is kind of where you hear somebody go, yeah, they're so cute, blah, blah, blah. Oh my gosh, it's on my shirt! So. Anyway. Oh, here comes 2 more customers. Let's see if they come in. I'm trying to stay still so they don't think ill of me. I do have other Dutch buckets that they're flying to as well. Yeah, these bees are just coming in. This is cool. They're landing in different Dutch buckets as well. Like there's 2 in another Dutch bucket. They just got into a scuffle. So these clay pebbles, apparently they're wicking the water up enough to where the bees can land and then drink without drowning. So, pretty cool, very unexpected, but as the flowers bloom here, they're going to have a food source as well, or to pollinate. So my peppers will be pollinated as well, like crazy. I'm gonna peek in here to see how this is doing. You know, let me zoom as well. And just to see if a customer comes in. You know what? Just for viewing purposes, I'm going to cut this leaf here. Believe it or not, it's actually hard to get to this. Filming wise, because I have it on a tripod. Okay, here we got some new customers. One went to the other Dutch bucket though, and then this one landed in there. There we go. The smooth sounds of aquaponics. Anything you can do to be attracting bees to your garden is a good idea. There's 2 of them. They're having a party. They're drinking too much though. Yeah, this is really neat. There's like little customers everywhere. These little bees are in, I think, 4 of my 6 Dutch buckets. One leaves. Let's see if another one comes in. How long does it take, too? Ah, here comes another customer. This seems to be the favorite bucket, Dutch bucket here. I wonder if they get pissed off if I put my hand in there to greet them. Nope, I'm touching one, and it's not upset. Maybe the water is just cooling it down, you know. Yep, another customer flying around. Another 2 of them. Isn't this cool? Post in the comment section, guys, what you guys think. So, maybe I should do something like that. I wonder if there's a company out there that has like some sort of like bee bar, or not bar, but like water drinking place. Maybe they'll want to sponsor some videos. Anyway, guys, well, if you want to see more of this, let me know in the comment section below. Just a quick video. Probably a pretty long video at this point, but I don't know. I like stuff like this. I just like to observe what God has created and see how it all works. And, you know, if you could wrap your head around how to bring in bees, you're going to up your harvest. And so things like this, obviously there are people out there that capitalize on it, and you should. But it shouldn't be harmful to the environment or to bees, you know. And so all this water is organic, you know, and the fish feed's organic, you know, and I only add stuff to my water that's actually natural. So this is actually a huge benefit. And then I'm bringing in pollinators. So any way you can bring in pollinators is always a good thing. So a water source is something that I've thought about in the past. I just didn't think about it until I saw these bees flying around. So building a water source for them this year is going to be something that's hugely beneficial to you as a gardener and a farmer. So anyway, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hit that little bell icon if you're subscribing for the first time. And if you're already a subscriber, hit that bell icon and check the little box. That way you get notifications every time I do an update video. So God bless you guys, and like always, peace.